Okay, so here is attached to the project 4, in the project 4 assignment file folder, you'll see this AI template. So this is what you're going to open to put your final artwork when you're ready to present. It has the boxes in here. And what I want you to do is take your design, much like the samples you saw. So for example, our samples are size. So the size of each icon is sized according to these squares. You're going to remove the squares once you've sized your icon. So these squares are on a separate layer. You can put your artwork, create a new layer, and call this your artwork. Oops. Right? And you can lock this layer of the template below and scale your artwork to fit edge to edge in this square. So each artwork should fit in each square. You're showing your artwork twice, full size and reduced. Then you can take this layer 1 where I have these squares and delete it. You do not need to keep the look, and I don't want to see the squares. So if you look at the samples I'm sharing with you, there are no squares. We're not showing the squares. We're just showing the artwork without the squares. Okay, so those squares are just to show scale so that we all have our work the same size. Then you're going to go ahead and save. Once you put your artwork in, you're looking at your layers palette. You're going to take this layer 1 and delete it. So then now I'm left with just my artwork. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and save it as a PDF. You're going to do save as, you're going to save it to your computer. And you're going to save it to your projects, project 4, and you're going to save it 2 ways. You want to save it as an AI file. I'm going to look at your AI file. I want you to save it 2 ways, AI file and as a PDF. And you can change it out as a PDF. So I want to see both, so that the AI file we can put up on our, the PDF, apologies, we can put up on our mural board and share it for our final critique. And I also want to look at the AI file to see how you built it. I'm going to be looking at your AI files so I can see the construction and how you used Illustrator. Okay, any questions about how we're going to put the final artwork together for presentation, which is next week, Friday, and I'll have a final critique board. We'll put it on there for project 4, the same board I made for today. We'll use that for our final critique next Friday.